little food shopping cart at IKEA. Get some trays, throw it right on your shopping cart. Go to town getting some foodage. Lots of delicious looking cakes and sweets and all those treats. Not getting any of those today, but look good. All right, folks, before you, we have the standard classic meatballs from IKEA. Look at that. So we've got some Swedish meatballs with that gravy, lingonberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and look at that, some bright green peas for our veggie enjoyment. We even have a little flag in there, and that's not Norway, that's Sweden. And our Balls of IKEA tour continues with some falafel. Look at that. A nice vegetarian option, or perhaps if you're feeling a little like, you've eaten a little heavy, switch over to the veggies for a meal, lighten that up, right? And then we have some nice vegetable couscous, and complemented with some garlic aioli and a slice of lemon to kind of freshen everything up a little bit. Give it some zing.
And I have plant balls. So these are plant-based. We do have the traditional mashed potato, gravy, that jam, and some delicious looking peas.
Folks, look at that meatball. We went and we kind of rolled it in the sauce, in the gravy. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna try it out. Meatball. Cheers. Nice and moist. The meat itself, obviously. The gravy is really good. It's flavorful. This is a great get. I'm gonna try some of that lingonberry here, mixed with some of that gravy, making kind of like a collage of beautifulness. Definitely adds like a nice pop of flavor there with the berries. It's fun. And it's good.
Meatball goodness. With the gravy on there. Those are actually like surprisingly good. So, nice little moist meatball covered in delicious gravy. Everything's kind of smooth, but yeah, super flavorful. Delicious little meatballs there. So the meatball's nice and moist. That gravy's got that savory taste to it. Everything's nice and smooth. Tastes very nice together.
All right, Jen, go ahead and try out those plant balls and tell us. Tell us how the bowls of plant taste. So
Absolutely.
You got the gravy. Look at that.
They look like the other ones.
It's a whole ball right there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Does it taste planty? Does it taste beefy?
It doesn't taste beefy at all. It does taste planty. It kind of tastes like stuffing. Like Thanksgiving stuffing. So we've got some herbs in there, making it taste delicious. I can't say I'm disappointed. This is actually really, really good.
Stuffing, you say?
It does kind of taste like a Thanksgiving dinner on my plate.
All right, let me confirm that. All right, I can't take the full ball in my mouth, so we're gonna just go ahead and do like a half. But this one will get right in there with that sauce too. I'm just gonna mess it right up. Look at that, make it pretty. It does taste like stuffing, and it does remind me of Thanksgiving. That's wild. Let me see if I can get a kind of a shot for you of the interior of the ball. Look at that. Again, the ball itself is nice and moist. Same gravy, same sauce. I mean, it's great. If you want to go with a vegetarian option, unbeatable. Definitely a Thanksgiving vibe taste to it. It's fun. Interested to see if you've had these before, if you feel the same way. Does it give you kind of like a Thanksgiving stuffing taste? All right, falafel action. Let's go ahead and cut into one of these. Show you the interior, undoubtedly, of the interior goodness. And we'll kind of do a little aioli dip there. The falafel itself is good. Very falafel-y. The garlic aioli, though, really brings it home. It's got a nice pop to it. A nice heavy flavor on the garlic. Complements it very, very well with the falafel. Just on its own, again, nice and moist. More of a vegetarian, veggie taste for sure than the plant-based balls. But this is still a good winner. The garlic aioli is delicious. Let's try some of this couscous here.
I was just gonna say, I know what that guy looks like.
The couscous is okay.
Definitely want those.
The couscous is okay. I think it needs a little bit more seasoning though, maybe a little salt, pepper, but it's all right. It's nice and fresh. Maybe a little lemon on here. Jenny going with the falafel.
I'm gonna try the couscous first. Look at that.
Yeah, get a good
Little baby chickpeas in there.
Yeah, chickpeas. Oh, we got like the IKEA kind of, or the Ike. We got the Ike right in back of you. All right, anyway.
You're right. Has a fresh flavor. It does need a little more something. That lemon could be it though. I'm going in for a falafel ball.
Is it falafel-y? You taste the vegginess?
I do.
Is the ball moist?
For falafel, it's a little dry.
It's probably the driest of the balls for sure, but I still thought it was kind of like a little moister for a ball than what it could have been.
You know, it's got all of that packed into that falafelness in there.
Yeah.
And it's not bad. Like the flavor's there. It's just a little dry. But this aioli, definitely, it helps. It makes everything kind of come together.
Oh, are you kidding me? That
It's a nice
aioli
little
is
harmony.
that aioli is brilliant. I kind of want to get like a bottle of that for the house or something, you know?
So out of all of the balls that you've tried today,
Yeah.
which one is your favorite?
The meatball.
I'm gonna have to go plant-based just because it's like Thanksgiving dinner. How can you go wrong with it? Thanksgiving dinner, plate of balls.
IKEA doing the balls right. Well, eating of the balls is done. Thank you so much, people, for joining us. We really appreciate it. And as my dad used to say, keep your nose clean. Meaning, until we see you again, keep your nose clean, stay out of trouble. Bye-bye.